What's up? Today is a tutorial on a Zhang Z sound effect. I don't know really what to call it, like high-pitched synth sound effect. Anyway, it sounds like this. Yeah, this sound really bothers my sinuses, so I really never use it. So there's really just two steps. The first one is the hard part, and that is getting this kind of nasally oscillation in your sinuses, I guess is what I'll call it. So you can do it with your mouth closed, and I kind of find it helpful to like have my chin down while I'm doing it, and just flare your nostrils and try and let out like a strong, steady stream through your nose. And you'll, it really takes some experimentation, but you'll find a kind of sweet spot in your sinuses where you get this oscillation that sounds like this. If you can get that, then that's essentially the sound. All you have to do is have a high-pitched hum behind it to get the Zhang Z effect. I don't really have any more tips on this one. Just focus on having a lot of air coming through your nose and having very steady. I guess I kind of find it helpful to have my tongue back at the back of my mouth, and like I make this weird face when I do it. It's just about positioning and like experimenting and finding a way for you to be able to do it. Yeah, so good luck on this one. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. So, good luck. Peace.